welcome to a very unusual review, but today we'll be reviewing the Asylum of the Daleks collector set that is featured in this DVD, and the bottom one says the Asylum of the Daleks, which we'll be watching very quite soon. I shall shove that in the background. Yeah, so we go. We've got three Daleks. Two of them are Paradigm. One's a standard. So I got this off eBay for an eBay purchase. See the Daleks. Again, it features a sound effects bronze Dalek and two Paradigm Daleks, which go over to the side. Inmate Dalek Asylum. That's one side of the box. And the back of the box. I don't know how much you want to read. You can pause that and read it if you want. Here's the other side. Here's the other side of the box. And there we are. These aren't tied down. Unfortunately, before I bought this set, I got two here. Oh, look what we have here. We have two more of them. But these will be up for customs. These will be up for customs. One will be fully painted red, and the other one will just have its ears taken off and its eye stalk taken off. I've got a theory about the red one in a minute once we open the box. Just for the sake of the purpose, I will keep the white one out, because its Asylum stamp is in the same location. So I will keep the white one out. Let's get into the box. It opens from the top. Opens from the top. So first we take the bronze Dalek out, a weathered version of the bronze Dalek. And I will take the red one out, because I don't know if this is a rare error or a factory error. Let's remove the box at the shot. You can have it in the background there. I love the inside of the box. You can look at other reviews for that, right? On this Dalek, on this red Paradigm, the Asylum stamp is here, but on my first one, it's on that side. This is the one I'm shaking that's just come out of that box. Similar locations but on different sides. We don't know if it's a factory error or there's two versions of it. Please let me know. So, for the purpose of this review, I'm going to show off this one in the review. And here they are, and here are the three Daleks, and here are the three Daleks that came in that set, and here are the Daleks that, you see, yeah, these are the Daleks that came with it. Let me just position my camera down, so we can have a closer inspection of the figures. If you really want a close inspection, God, I'm in trouble with the camera right now, so I do apologise. Because it's in the Bionicle part bag, it's very unusual. I've been playing Fire Emblem Heroes all day. Personal information. Right. First, we will look at one of the Paradigm Daleks. First, we'll have a look at Dalek Supreme. It's got the same articulation like the other Paradigm. This is the one for the Asylum. This is the one from the Asylum of the Daleks. And I'll bring in the one from 2010. A slight difference. This has got a slight weathering effect. Well, mine's aged a bit. So here's Dalek Supreme. And can I have Drone, please? Dalek Drone. He's in a metallic red, but You can get a metallic blue one, which was a Toys R Us exclusive. So there's the metallic red Dalek. And I'll bring in the original. This is the RC version. If you're wondering, this is the RC version of the red one. I couldn't be asked to, I didn't want to break up the sequence how they were presented, so the RC red one was the closest. So here's the red one. As you can tell, it's remote control. I will put an in card just before I put the red Dalek out during the comparison. And now, can I have the bronze Dalek, please? And yes, this is a sound effects Dalek. I will show off the sound effects, but before the closest version of this Dalek I'm going to get a comparison for is this one, the Principal Vault Tech Dalek. His bottom is black. If you look underneath them, they've got the same symbol. You look at that symbol on the Dalek. If the camera decides to focus. Oh, focus, you stupid thing. Alright, and then you look at this one. I think they both got the same symbol, but this one is the sound effects Dalek. I'll actually show off the sound effects. There's a small button here. We push it.
Multi-spectrum scanning now engaged.
There's one.
Surrender or be exterminated.
Please note this is my first sound effects Dalek.
Daleks conquer and destroy. Exterminate. 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 Scanning. Elevate.
If you push the button twice, it'll come up with the extermination effect.
Obey the Daleks. Multi-spectrum scanning
Right.
now engaged.
We're back at the beginning. There he is. There's the bronze version. I forgot to mention, there's his Asylum stamp on his head. I wouldn't mind getting more of these Daleks to build a custom Asylum. So please let me know about the red one. Please let me know about the red Asylum stamp. Is this the correct side or the wrong side? Please let me know in the comments to know which way is which. Where does that Asylum stamp go? Please let me know in the comments. Anyway, let me just bring back the crew from the set. Just bring the guys back from the set. So if you like this set, good luck getting your hands. Good luck getting your hands on it. Good luck getting your hands on it. It's quite expensive now. Good luck. Good luck getting your hands on that set. I'll give you a comparison between the other two. I'll show you a front view. Here's the bronze Dalek comparison. Shove that to the back. Here's the Supreme. Give you the Supreme. There's the Supreme. And there's the drone. There you go. They're all different. They are. There's all three Daleks. Let's remove Yiku and you. As I say, if you want this set, good luck. Good luck finding it. You're going to have a fun time looking. I've wanted this set for a very long time. But unfortunately, I bought these two Daleks already. The only way I wanted that bronze Dalek, I wasn't paying stupid ridiculous for the figure on it, so I bought the whole set. So, well done for character. I missed... They could have, instead of having... If this was my view, instead of having the Asylum crazed Dalek, they could have put a metallic red, just a plain red metallic Dalek drone of, say, like this, but a full repaint, like they did with the blue one. And probably do another, just give this one a sort of an upgrade paint job. But it's different, that's fine. We don't know which one's red before I customise one of these red ones. Right, anyway, I better get going. This is a delayed review I wanted to do the other day, but I didn't get a chance to do it. Well, if you like this video, subscribe, share, comment. Nice comments, not offensive comments, please. Offensive comments will be removed from my request. And no saddos either. Anyway, I'll see you in another video.